Yeah! Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Lingokids Crafts. Today, we will be drawing a delicious fruit that is very good for you. This tasty treat comes in different colors and sizes. You might have seen it on a teacher's desk, in your fridge, or up in a tree. Can you guess what it is? That's right! Today, we will be drawing a juicy apple. So, grab your pencil and a sheet of paper and let's get started. Let's begin with the body of our apple. Draw the top part of a heart. Try to make both sides look as even as possible. From there, join the right side of the top part to the left side by drawing a very big rounded curve. Just like that. There you go. Great job! To add some details to our apple, draw a small circle on the right-hand side. This will show how shiny it is. And there you go! You just finished drawing the body of our apple. Have you heard the popular saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away"? That's because apples have many health benefits. They have lots of vitamins and fiber, especially in their skin. So, instead of peeling your apple, take a big bite and enjoy the entire fruit. Now, go back to the top part of the body that looks like a heart, and between the two curves, draw a line going upwards that slightly bends to the left. Just like that. Great job! Next to it, draw another similar curve. Connect the two curves at the top with a much smaller curve. There we go! Our stem is complete. Last but not least, let's draw our leaf. On one side of your stem, draw an elongated semi-oval. Right under it, connect your shape to another backward semi-oval. Did you know that if you drop an apple in water, it floats? That's because apples contain a lot of air, unlike animals or humans who need to swim in order to float. So now that we've drawn our crunchy apple, it's time to make it even more appetizing with some colors. You can follow our suggestions or create your own color scheme. It's up to you. For our apple, we'll be using red, pink, brown, and green. First, take your red crayon to color the body of our apple. Be sure to color around the little circle we added inside our apple. Then, we use the pink crayon to color the little circle. Wow! Great job, everybody! Next, take your brown crayon and color inside our stem. And to finish off our drawing, take your green crayon and color in your lovely leaf. Great work, Lingo Kids! Your apple looks mouth-watering! Don't forget to keep eating your fruits and vegetables to stay strong, healthy, and most importantly, happy! Parents, your child has done an amazing job! We'd love it if you'd share their artwork with us on social media for a chance to be featured on our channels. There's nothing better than seeing the art made by our Lingo Kids families around the world. Just tag us!
More songs, activities, and podcasts on our YouTube channels, and the full interactive adventure in the Lingo Kids app.
That was fun!